So I recommend using this for chokers. You guys don't have to, but I just recommend it because chokers are tighter, and usually if you keep this, like if it's like too big for you, like a necklace, it won't really look good. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit. And I'm only going to make a small little car keychain, so I'm only going to be like grabbing like 1 or 2, like 4 of each color, probably like 10, probably. So you're going to first take your starting color, and you're going to take the second one, and you're going to loop it like this, and you're just going to go, and you're going to grab the first one. You're going to grab this pink one. You're basically going to slide it through the first one, and then you're going to put it around your index finger, and you're going to take another rubber band, and you're going to do the same thing. And then you're just going to take another rubber band, and you're going to put this one like this, and then you basically like slide off the finger the one that was on your hand. So yeah, this is basically how you do